Okay friend, so I am bored in the house and I'm trying to go out tonight, so I'm actually in the middle of trying to do my own nails and save some money because it's real. No, I'm serious, it's really real. I figured I would show you guys what I picked for my look for tonight. So of course I am going to be installing and reviewing another wig from one of my favorite affordable and really blendable wig series, Miss Adanna. Let's go. This is Miss Adanna from the Sensational Cloud 9 What Lace Wig series. It's a hairline illusion lace wig. It's 100% premium fiber. So it is a synthetic wig, but it's premium synthetic fiber. Meaning, you know, they're trying to give you the best of the best when it comes to a synthetic fiber wig. It is pre-plucked with natural density. Now, if you've seen any of my previous videos or reviews on this wig series, if you haven't, you know, just click right here. But if you've seen it already, you can kind of already figure out why this is one of my major go-tos and why I love it so much. I love me a hairline that I ain't got to do too much to. One of the many reasons that this is one of my favorite go-to wig series or wig lines is because of the hairline being pre-customized and the lace itself being thin. If you're going for a human hair customized frontal look, I will always point you to this direction, especially if you're a beginner trying to figure out what type of wigs you want to wear or what you want to try out. They do most of the work for you. It is kind of like a transparent lace, meaning it comes as clear as possible or as blank or white as possible. So the clearer it comes, the better it is to kind of customize that lace with whatever foundation or lace tint that you have. In this case, I colored my lace with the EBIN New York lace tint Mousse, which you saw. If you need any details in that, I will add it to the detail box below. One of my other favorite things about this wig series is that the baby hairs that come along the hairline usually is very soft, it's pre-cut and it's pre-curled. Almost in a way where you can kind of brush it along the lines if you would like to, or you can kind of brush it back into the rest of the wig or the hairline if you want to as well. It comes with Swiss lace, it comes ear to ear, so you saw me cutting the lace in sections because if you're looking for a beginner friendly install, it's a lot easier to install it section by section. And I did that with, yes, my go-to, my Wonder Bond lace spray from EBIN New York as well. Black can, because us sweaty girls, listen, if you are a sweaty girl like me in the middle of the summertime, baby, okay, this is a lifesaver right here. So I always ride hard for this. I specifically chose this wig because I'm on a textured wig kick. Now this came in the color Flamboyage Sand. So I think I already kind of hinted to you how I feel about this wig. So let's not waste any more time and let's go ahead and get into my final thoughts about this wig right here. So let's get into the pros and the cons of this wig. For the pros, you already know, probably from my smile and me like just staring in the viewfinder, I absolutely love the styling of Miss Adanna. Okay, I love that it is a 13x6 parting space. I love me some versatility when it comes to wig styling. I want a middle part one day, a side part on this side one day. I want a side part on this side tomorrow, half up, half down, pulled all the way back by Wednesday. So I love the versatility of the parting space of this wig. Now I am on a textured wig kick. But I recently shared some of my favorite textured wig finds and wig units on my TikTok. If you're not following me on TikTok, make sure you go right here. You can find me right here. I did release a video on there as well as Instagram letting folks know my favorite beginner friendly and textured wig finds. This one is right up that alley. It's in that kind of yucky straight type of category where it's not necessarily silky where you have to worry about constantly spraying it with gloss or constantly spraying it down to keep it from tangling. It has a nice kind of kinky straight, yucky straight quality to it while maintaining the curls that it came with as well. That lets me know that this wig is going to be a little more on the longer lasting side, especially with the versatility and all the pretty styles that I have in mind for this wig. Now I have to say this is my first time purchasing anything from Sensationnel in the tone or the color Flamboyage Sand, but this would not be my last. You know, colored and bleached a couple of my personal wigs with a little white streak on there, trying to give you that little rogue vibe that I've been feeling this summer. So this kind of fits right up my alley. I didn't even realize what the color would look like when I purchased it, to be completely honest with you. For the cons, I don't really have that many cons right now. It's super voluminous. It's a lot of volume without the wig feeling too heavy, and I love everything about it. I'm coming a little closer so you can see the hairline of it, just to show you that I'm not faking it, just to show you that I'm not kind of like capping or, you know, being extra for the sake of making this video or trying to like make them look good. Only thing that I would have to say, like, just be aware of or kind of watch out for, remembering that this is a premium fiber, aka synthetic wig. So just like you would treat every other synthetic wig, meaning, you know, brushing it regularly, putting it on a wig head as opposed to tossing it to the other side of the room and letting it lay up in itself, aka letting it tangle, keeping your gloss spray nearby. I would definitely say, now I've dealt with texture with synthetic wigs before, and it did kind of become a little bit tougher to brush through after like maybe day 5, but that's because I was sleeping in it. But if you're somebody that goes to work, comes right home and like just plops it right down and takes it right off, or you need it for a special occasion, that's not necessarily anything you have to worry about. So would I suggest this wig for you? Yeah, I definitely would. I'm a huge fan of it so far. It's been a while since I had big hair like this. You know, it's been mad hot this summer, so I've been doing a lot of bobs, shorter, wavier, and less voluminous styles. But I'm ready to come back. I'm ready to come back home. So you know how this goes, okay? I'm going to show you a couple of angles. You drop in the comment box below and let me know what you think. And then of course, if you know of any other styles or any other wig lines that you think I would like based on how I feel about this wig, add that to the comments below as well. As always, thank you for clicking play, and I will meet you right here, same place next time. Peace out.